The car's air conditioning system is designed to keep you comfortable and relaxed when the temperature rises. It's quiet and unobtrusive, so it should not make any noise. If you hear a buzzing sound when it's turned on, it could be a sign that something is wrong with the system. Although it's technically a separate part of the car, your air conditioning system is tied to the engine's serpentine belt. This component turns the AC compressor's pulley and pressures the refrigerant lines. Let's discuss possible causes of rattling noise when AC is on in a car. Top 4 reasons for rattling noises when car's AC is on. Number 1. Failing AC compressor. If your car's AC is making a loud clicking noise when it's turned on, it could result in the compressor failing. The compressor is an essential component of the car's air conditioning system and is responsible for circulating the air and keeping it cool. It's essential to replace the compressor as soon as possible if it's failing, as it can lead to the complete failure of the car's air conditioning system. A replacement can be expensive, but it's worth having the car's AC working properly. Number 2. Dirty AC condenser. The car's AC condenser is the part of the system responsible for cooling the air that circulates through it. Unfortunately, it can become dirty over time, preventing it from properly cooling the air. Getting the car's condenser cleaned is generally a relatively straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure it's done correctly. If you think that your car's condenser might be dirty, it must be fixed by a professional. Doing so can prevent it from causing further problems. Number 3. Loose parts. Loose parts are one of the most common causes of rattling noise when AC is on in a car. Over time, these can become loose, which can cause the components of the car's AC system to become noisy. In most cases, this can be fixed by loosening the brackets and bolt. However, a new set of parts might be required in some cases. If you cannot figure out how to properly tighten the brackets and bolt on your car's AC, you must take it to a professional. They'll be able to diagnose the issue and make necessary repairs. Number 4. Worn-out AC pulley. One of the most common causes of this issue is the worn-out pulley of the AC compressor. Over time, this can cause it to become unstable and cause the compressor to make a clicking sound. In most cases, this can be fixed by replacing the entire pulley. If your car's AC is making a clicking sound, it must be fixed as soon as possible. There are a variety of possible causes of this issue, some of which can be very serious. Having your car's AC system checked can help you avoid costly repairs later. How to know when your car AC compressor has gone bad. Getting the proper diagnosis and replacement of your car's AC compressor is relatively easy. Having these signs can help you avoid costly repairs later on. Some of these symptoms of a bad AC compressor will appear when it's not working correctly. The symptoms of a bad AC compressor in a car include the following: high cabin temperature, loud noise coming from compressor, moisture leak, stiff compressor clutches, tripped circuit breaker, broken suction lines. Since the invention of the car AC compressor in the early days of the automotive industry, driving has become a pleasurable experience. As technology advances, car production becomes more accessible, and as a result, more affordable vehicles are being sold. One of the most common inventions in the industry is the invention of the car's AC system. The car's AC system relies on the compressor to cool the air before it's sent to the condenser, turning the chemical into a liquid state. Without this component, the air conditioning system will not work correctly. How much does it cost to replace an air conditioner in a car? Depending on the make and model of the car, the cost of fixing or replacing an air conditioning system can vary significantly. For instance, minor repairs such as refilling the missing refrigerant can cost around $200 to $700. On the other hand, significant repairs, such as replacing the entire compressor or the condenser, can cost thousands of dollars. The cost of replacing an air conditioning system can vary depending on the make and model of the car, your location, and the garage where you will be taking it. For instance, a mechanic might charge around $150 for replacing the compressor, while another one might charge about $400. How long will a noisy AC compressor last? Although an AC compressor can last for a couple of years in a car, it eventually needs to be replaced due to its noise. You must contact a mechanic or an AC specialist if you notice it's making a loud noise. Is it worth replacing an AC compressor? The cost of replacing an AC compressor is typically higher than an outdoor unit. However, since most dead compressors are usually found in older air conditioners, replacing them with a new one is more cost-effective. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.